The tomb of Hazrat Sheikh Ahmad, Khattuganj Bakhsh, located in Ahmedabad city, is of great importance due to its cultural and historical significance. One of the largest centrally protected monuments, it comprises of the tomb of the Sufi saint Mahmud Begra and the Queen's tomb, the Great Tank, the Great Mosque and the King's and Queen's Palace, which is collectively known as Sarkhej Roza. Sarkhej Roza hosts over 1,000 people who gather here for recreation over the weekends.
In Urban Management Foundation Studio, we experienced this magnificent monument in the shoes of its stakeholders. Our team, Dhruvi Gandhi, Ira Mathur, Sarthak Tapasri, Utsav Mishra and I, Tina Dave, have analyzed utilities, services and assets of this living monument. Subsequently, we identified key stakeholders and analyzed shortcomings and areas for improvement based on certain best practices around the world to enhance the user experience. While we have extensively worked on the entire facilities management plan, it is beyond the scope of this video to showcase all assets and services in details. So, we have included the key aspects of daily functioning of Sarkhej Roza.
A religious complex with great cultural and historical significance, Sarkhej Roza falls under the key tourism attractions of Gujarat tourism. While the site has great potential to be converted into a key tourist spot for Ahmedabad city, this has not yet happened due to the mismanagement and stunted development of the site. By enhancing the facilities present within the site, adopting the right means of outreach, and creating awareness about the significance of the site, this can be achieved.
Apart from being a religious sanctuary, the complex of Sarkhej Roza is also known for its architectural marvel. The jalis and domes adorn this monument with glory. No wonder it's a centrally protected monument with its entire structure, including building fabric maintenance, falling under the purview of Archaeological Survey of India. The existing mechanism for carrying out conservation and repair works at Sarkhej Roza is very complex, so it directly impacts the maintenance of the structure. Since it is a live monument being used on a daily basis, it requires more frequent involvement of the caretakers for a better management of the structure.
The Sarkhej complex comprises of 2 blocks of washrooms for men and women with 12 cubicles each. Apart from this, each block comprises of a wazu khana for performing wazu before praying. While the number of washrooms are enough, basic facilities such as safety and hygiene protocols are not followed. By enhancing basic amenities such as lighting, ventilation, access and safety, the condition of the washrooms can be improved drastically.
Torrent Power is the electricity service provider at Sarkhej Roza. The power bill is the largest operational cost borne by Sarkhej Roza Committee. Augmented meters, improper supply and inefficient fixtures are some of the gaps in the electrical services. The proposals explore CSR partnerships for infrastructural upgradation and livelihoods training for electricians and photovoltaic panels maintenance.
Sarkhej Gandhinagar Highway leads to Sarkhej Roza. Lack of signages and poor maintenance of road are some of the major gaps in navigation. Bus services provided by AMTS and BRTS is currently inactive. There is only one entrance and exit which is accessible by all the visitors. Very few signages and bilingual panels are present on the premise.
At Sarkhej Roza, the primary source of water is from borewell. Currently, the quality of water is not optimum for human consumption and it also affects the plumbing fixtures to a large extent. Apart from this, the Great Tank, which is also known as Sarkhej Pond, has been dried for over a decade now. The water supply system can be improved by providing water treatment plant, using alternative plumbing fixtures and by rejuvenating the Sarkhej Pond.